Welcome to this standalone explainer on DeepSeek-R1 and RLVR. In January 2025, DeepSeek showed something genuinely surprising, that reasoning can emerge from reinforcement learning alone. No reasoning examples were provided, no reward model was trained, just rewards you can check by machine. By the end of this video, you will see the actual reward function. It is only a few lines, and understand the famous aha moment, where the model taught itself to double-check its own work. Here is the plan. What RLVR actually is, how the R10 variant learned to reason with zero worked examples, the real reward function in a few lines of code, and the aha moment, plus an honest look at where this approach breaks down. The intuition is a beautiful simplification. For a maths problem, you already know the correct answer. So why train a reward model to guess quality? Just check the answer directly. 1 for right, 0 for wrong. That is RLVR, reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards. Optimize that simple signal with GRPO, and remarkably, reasoning appears on its own. DeepSeek-R1 arrived in January 2025, and it was notable for more than its results. It became one of the first frontier large language models to be peer-reviewed in Nature, a real mark of scientific seriousness, and its boldest variant, called R10, skipped supervised fine-tuning entirely. It started from a raw base model and learned to reason from pure reinforcement learning with no example solutions at all. And here is the entire reward function. The whole thing fits on one screen. Pull the boxed answer out of the model's output and compare it to the known solution. If it matches, add 1. If the answer uses the right thinking format, add a small bonus. That is it. Compare this to everything earlier in the series. The reward models, the human comparisons, the value critics, all of it collapses into a short verifier you could write in an afternoon. That simplicity is the whole point of RLVR. Let us run one training prompt. Ask for 7 times 8 in a box and sample a group of 4 answers exactly as GRPO does. 2 answers box the correct 56 and score 1. 1 boxes the wrong 54 and scores 0. 1 says 56 but forgets the box, so it also scores 0. GRPO then reinforces the 2 correct, well-formatted answers relative to the group. Repeat this across millions of problems, and the model is steadily pushed toward being both correct and cleanly formatted, with no human ever grading a single one. Now, the moment that made this paper famous. With nothing but correctness as a reward, the model spontaneously began writing things like, "Wait, let me recheck that step." It catches its own error, 3 times 9 is 27, not 12, and redoes the problem correctly. Nobody showed it how to backtrack. There were no examples of self-correction in the training data. It discovered entirely on its own that pausing to verify earns more reward. That is reasoning emerging from a reward signal, and it is genuinely a little eerie to watch. And the numbers back it up. On the AIME 2024 competition maths exam, pure reinforcement learning lifted pass at 1 from about 16% to 71. With majority voting over several tries, it reached nearly 87. That is a base model turned into a serious mathematician by reward alone. Now the honest limits? RLVR only works where you can check the answer, so it shines on maths and code but simply does not apply to open-ended writing where there is no verifier. And pure R10, though brilliant at reasoning, produced messy text that mixed languages. So the shipped R1 adds a little cold start supervised fine-tuning to clean up the style. So how does RLVR compare to the reward model RL from earlier in the series? Reward model RL works anywhere, but its learned scorer can be hacked and needs labels. RLVR cannot be hacked wherever a verifier exists and needs no labels at all, but only applies to checkable tasks. Real systems use the best of both: verifiable rewards where you can, learned rewards where you must. The big idea of this whole video fits in one word: verify. For most of this series, we went to enormous lengths to learn a reward, collecting human labels, training reward models, running value critics. RLVR's insight is that whenever the answer is checkable, you should not learn a reward at all. You should just verify it directly. That is cheaper, it cannot be hacked, and as R10 showed, it is powerful enough to make full reasoning emerge on its own. So, to sum up, DeepSeek-R1 showed that reasoning emerges from verifiable rewards plus GRPO. No reward model and no reasoning labels, and it made the whole recipe open to everyone. We have now taught a model to reason on its own. In the final content video, we let it act. Reinforcement learning for multi-step agents that use tools. Thanks for watching.